Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share my recipe for mushroom sauté with mozzarella. To be notified of my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Into my pan, I added half a teacup of cooking oil and a full tablespoon of butter. Then I added 1 chopped onion. I'm sautéing the onion a bit. After that, I'm adding 1 red bell pepper, 4 to 5 pointed and Charleston peppers. I used a mix. I chopped them and added them in. While my peppers are sautéing, I want to prepare my mushrooms. I have approximately 750 grams of mushrooms. I washed them thoroughly under water and put them in a colander. I'm chopping them into pieces that are not too small. I've also sautéed my peppers for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm adding 1 level teaspoon of tomato paste. When I use winter tomatoes, I like to add a little tomato paste to give it color. If you use summer tomatoes, you won't need to use tomato paste. I'm also sautéing it this way for a few minutes. Then I added the mushrooms. I'm stirring the mushrooms for a few minutes as well. I peeled and diced 3 medium-sized tomatoes and added them on top. I'm adding enough salt, black pepper, and a little oregano. I also added about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm stirring again. I'm not adding water. The mushrooms will release their own water as they cook. I'm closing the lid of my pan. I'm letting my mushroom sauté cook on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. See, the mushrooms have released their water. I stirred it and closed the lid again. And I'm continuing to cook it. My mushroom sauté has been cooking for about half an hour. It's ready now. You can adjust the amount of liquid to your liking. You can reduce it more or leave it a bit more saucy. I'm transferring the mushroom sauté into a small square glass baking dish. I'm leveling the surface and sprinkling about a bowlful of grated mozzarella cheese over it. I'm putting it into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. I'm only keeping it in the oven until the mozzarella melts, then I'm taking it out. The mushroom sauté with mozzarella is ready for serving. It's a wonderful dish that you can serve alongside your meat and chicken dishes or with rice. I definitely recommend you try it. Good luck and bon appétit to those who will try it. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.